Hello, dear friends. I hope you are all doing well and staying happy. Today, I have decided to share some useful and important computer tips with you. These are some small tricks and techniques that can make our daily computer work much easier and save us a lot of time. Many people use computers every day, but not everyone knows all the shortcuts, helpful method, or quick solution to common problems. I will explain everything a simple way with clear examples so that anyone can easily understand and use them. So, whether you are new to using computers, have been using them for many years, I'm sure these tips will be very helpful for you. And I explain 10 tricks from the 100 tricks. Let's watch and get learn. Trick number one, restart the computer. If your computer is slow or stuck, a simple restart often solves the problem. Come to the keyboard, Alt plus F4. Then come to by rookie key in keyboard, down button, restart, or come to this or restart. Then trick number two, shortcut keys. Control plus C for copy, Control plus V for paste, Control plus X for cut. This three shortcut key is very important or essential. This three shortcut key is very important in computer. In computer, office programs like Words, PowerPoint, Excel, Access, etc. These are done in very quick and shortly work. Then come to open Words program by shortcut keys. Windows keys plus R. Write when Word. Then enter. After open blank documents. Write something. For example, I am from time new romantic. For select in keyboard Control plus A. Then for copy Control plus C. Then enter. For paste Control plus V for paste. Then select this second sentence. Then select that Control plus X for cut. Then enter. Then Control plus V. These are very important shortcut keys in computer. If you want to work very shortly time, then use shortcut keys. These three shortcut keys used for copy, paste, and cut. If you can do work so easily, so shortly. Trick number three. A file. Right click the file and select rename or just press F2. Come to file, select, then right click, then come to rename, then write etc Asad, or by shortcut key select by left click, press F2 button, then write etc John, then enter. Trick number 4. Take a screenshot. Phrase friends screen or in keyboard VRTSC and paste it into pen or word. Come to the keyboard, phrase VRTSCR button. Then come to WordPad by shortcut key when plus R. Brush. Then enter. Then Control plus V for paste. Trick number 5. Search for files. Press Windows plus S and type the file name. Come to the keyboard. When keys plus S. Then write the file name, for example, Word. Then enter. Green document. Trick number 6. Quick file copy. Drag the file while holding Control. It will create a copy. For example, select this file, drag this file by left click on the mouse, then press Control key on keyboard, then drag the file, then leave and stop. Trick number 7. Delete a file. If you want to delete file permanently or remove from recycle bin, never leave in recycle bin. Come to file, select file, then in keyboard shift plus delete, then enter or then yes. This file permanently out from computer. Never leave in recycle bin. If you delete this file like this file will receive to recycle bin. If you want to restore this file from recycle bin, then right click, open this recycle bin, then left click, select this file. After right click, then restore this file. This file will come here. Trick number 8. Select text. Control plus A, select all text, or Shift plus arrow, select text line by line. Come to the start button or when key plus R, when word, then enter, then blank document is equal to RAND bracket, then enter. After then if I want to select all text, press buttons in keyboard Control plus A. It will select. Then copy Control plus C. Then paste Control V. If you want to select line by line, then this cursor leave here. After select, press Shift button, then Down arrow key on keyboard. This will select line by line. Trick number 9. Create a shortcut key. Right click the file, choose create shortcut key. Come to the file, select, then right click, then come to shortcut keys. This method for shortcut keys. Trick number 10. Quick shutdown. How to quick shutdown? Press Alt plus F4 in keyboard. Then quick shut down the computer. Press Alt plus F4 for shutdown. Now OK. I don't want to press OK because my computer will shut down and the record will get lost. I don't want to get lost my record. This method for shutdown. There is all 10 methods from the 100 methods to essential and important for every new person or professional person. They will do this method to use in professional institute or offices. They can use this method. And that's it for today. 10 basic computer tricks that can make your deliver faster and easier. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumb up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more computer tips and tricks. See you in the next video.